Hi everyone. I'm currently here and I don't really know what to feel. I don't know. Yes. Say hi.
Hi!
Hi. Okay. Um ano ba? Just want to document this day. Yeah. Sobrang eventful ng day na to, guys. Sobra. This is what I'm wearing. I'm really speechless, guys. Like, oh my gosh! Ha! I want to say to your future self after 10 years.
Ang masasabi ko lang ay, kamusta ka naman? Sana buhay ka pa ngayon.
Ako naman gusto ko sabihin kung nahanap na ba yung forever.
Nahanap ko na kasi yung akin.